This is the Avantree Torus, Bluetooth 5.0 high-definition neckband speaker. Perfect for listening to music and watching movies. In this video, you will find these contents. Here's a look at what's in the box. To start using the Torus speaker, first power it on.
Power on. Pairing. Battery level high.
For first-time use, it'll enter pairing mode automatically, with the indicator flashing red and blue. Next, go into your device's Bluetooth menu. Search and select Avantree MB05 or Avantree Torus to connect.
Connected.
To use the earbud mode, first pull the retractable earbuds out. Slide the mode switch to earbuds mode. The audio should now be played through the earbuds. After you're done, you can use the retract buttons to put the earbuds away. To charge the Torus, flip open the charging dock lid. Connect the Torus to power source using a micro USB cable. The indicator will turn red while charging and automatically dim out when charging is complete. Still got questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments section below or email us at support@avantree.com if you have questions.